So in this video, we will download a new IDE, IntelliJ. We will try to download it, install it, and we'll see how to run our first program in IntelliJ. So let's see. IntelliJ download, go to this link, back. Let me cancel it. I have to download the community edition to install the same. So let's follow the installation wizard. Now that the installation is complete and it is giving me the option to reboot now or reboot later, let me just select reboot later and we'll see if it doesn't work. Maybe I will reboot and come back. So let's launch the IntelliJ. Yep, here. Let's create a new project. Java Basics. It will be a Java project. Build system is IntelliJ and JDK. Okay, so let's select a 17 for now. Create a new project. So we have a new project ready and it has automatically created a main file, main Java file. So let's see. So we have a main file, public static void main, and earlier we used to go to command prompt to compile the file and run it, but in IDE we can simply run the file here directly. So if we go to, okay, not here, maybe, okay, I think it's text in JDK 17. Right now, that's why we cannot run it. So let's wait for it. Now that it's complete, we have the option to run the file. So we can simply click this button or maybe go to this menu and run the class file from here. So simply let's run the program. It is building the code. It is pretty slow. I don't know why. Maybe it's launching for the first time. And here it is. So we see the output on the console, and that's why we create a project and run a Java file using IntelliJ.